Hi guys, welcome to the short video about Alexa history. I mean, I've never been a big fan of such speakers which can listen the whole day, but just recently I bought the smartwatch ID 206 which has Alexa built in and a button, so this makes sure Alexa is not listening the whole time, only when I'm pressing the button. I thought, yeah, okay, there's not much behind and I don't have to go into settings or so. I didn't care too much. I mean, of course I knew that I have to be careful what I'm saying whenever you are using like Google Speaker or Alexa Speaker or those things. I mean, all these assistants, I mean, everything what you're saying, basically this will probably be stored, and you never know who's using that, accessing that, and using against you. And I mean, in general, I'm not too concerned about these things. But when I've done some research about Alexa, how to use it, somebody like a viewer from my channel asked me how to do if it's needed to start the sentence or the question with Alexa, or if you can start directly after pushing a button and ask your question. I came to this page, I just googled for that. That's alexa.amazon.com spa index and something with cards. I'll put down the link to this website into the description anyway, so you can try it out and see what's there. But the really crazy thing is, I thought first this would be just examples how to use Alexa in general, like basic instructions. But when I went down here, it turned out that these were the questions which I've been asking, like about weather and Bitcoin price and setting a timer. I mean, most of the things I've just been doing on my channel to make examples to show you how Alexa can work on this watch during these videos. And but it is absolutely crazy that everything is really stored here. I was totally shocked. I mean, of course, it doesn't mean that this is accessible to Amazon stuff, but you never know. And but I've then been searching if there's an option to delete this history. It looks like there's also possibility to delete, and you don't have to go into your settings or so. You can also use Alexa directly for this, and so you can say something like, Alexa, delete everything I said today, or for like maybe last week, last month, or delete the whole history, or even delete recordings automatically, like after some period, 3 months, 18 months or so. Yeah, this could be really helpful if you don't need that. I mean, if you want to keep your whole search history, why not? I mean, maybe it could be useful in the future for you, but of course you have to be careful that others could see that too. Of course, it shouldn't be visible in the public, but you never know. I mean, there could be also a software glitch, and then some other people could have access to that. You have to be careful about these things. So this is what I wanted to show you. I think it's really interesting, and you should be aware of that, that this is around and how you can delete that. So I wanted to make this video and show this to you, and I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things, and if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.